Today I'll be showing you my prototypes for DUX and for my app. So this is the low fidelity for the watch. This is the high fidelity for the watch. This is the low fidelity for the phone, and this is the high fidelity for the phone. Okay, so this is the prototype for the phone. So as you can see, there are 6 features over here: planner, PB, which is the body, the timer, statistic, music, and together. Together means is a study group, which I will explain more later on. So this is the logo over here, which is like a monkey and a pig hugging. Both the monkey and the pig is one of the animals that you can buddy with in the app. So if we move on to planner, you can see there's a calendar and below is a to-do list. So example, if I swipe on the to-do list, I can click tick or I can cancel. If I tick, it will show that the task has been done at the bottom over here. So now if I add to planner, I can type something. For example, do I3 repository, and then I press the plus button over here. It will add that task to my to-do list at the bottom here. Okay, so now let's say I want to see another month. I can just shift the thing from here. It'll move over to June, and then for example, I want to see the date 21 June 2023. I can see that I have a task I've added over here before, which is the French exam today. Okay, so moving back now, moving on to PB, which is the body. So basically, when you first enter this feature, you'll be able to see the background and your body over here, which is PB. So at the shop at the top here, you'll be able to see that there are several items that you can buy in the shop. This is the currency, which is banana, and basically it's because monkey is a monkey associates with banana, so this is what you get. And you can like click another file to see different items. There will definitely be more items, but to show first, there was only 4 items here. So if let's say I want to buy a hat, I just select here and buy, and then a hat appears on my monkey's head. Then, for example, I want to change my body. I can choose either PB or Ruby. So I click Ruby, and automatically everything like changes. Like the background is now pink. Even the shop here is pink too. Okay. So basically, when you change your body, the theme of your app changes together with it. So if I go back to PB, everything turns back to yellow. Okay, now back to the timer. There's a countdown and a stopwatch. Stopwatch basically means that it just starts counting up by timing you. I go back and I go to countdown. I just press here on the side to pretend that I added a number. Let's say I want to study for 1 hour and 30 minutes. I press start, and then it'll start counting down. And once it hits 0, it will bring you to a page that congratulates you for studying for 1 hour and 30 minutes, and you have earned 13 bananas for your monkey. Okay, now back to this page. Now it's a statistics page. The statistics page will show you like the total amount of time that you spend studying each subject. For example, let's say over here there's yellow, green, blue. Over here they will label, it's a label that shows you like, yellow is math, green is DUX, and French is blue color. And then at the side here there's a timings, and at the bottom is a total amount of time you take for everything here. And there's weekly and there's monthly. Okay, and back. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that, for example, this tag, you can also add a label here, so that basically what this does is that you have to pick a tag, you have to pick a label before you study, so that the thing records down the amount of time you take for that certain subject. Okay, back. Okay, now moving on to music. Music is just this page with different sets of music types, and then you can play, you can pause, all for free. Okay, and together, this one basically shows that you can study with your friends. Each study group can hold up to about 8 people. And if you click here, you can see that the currency here is different, and you can see the study group, which shows you Mark and Jessie, basically the people that you're studying together with. Okay, so going back. So basically that's all for the phone. That's basically all for the phone prototype. Okay, hold on. Okay, so continuing. So this is the watch prototype. So it's the same thing as the phone, just that it has been it's more compact and simple so that it can fit the screen. So example, I press planner, it will zoom in. Okay, ignore the animation. The animation doesn't work very well, but basically it goes into this option and click on it. It zooms in so that it's easier for you to click, and it also like kind of make sure this is the correct button that you pick. If this isn't the button that you want, so you can just click over here, it'll go back to the main page. So I say planner. As you can see, the calendar is not here. This is the to-do list first. So I swipe, press tick, and this happens. Then I can press. So this same thing as a phone, I can add to my planner. I just swipe down. You can see if I swipe this way to the left, I can go to June, which is the next month. Like 21. I swipe back up again. French exam today. And for Apple Watch, since there isn't a lot of buttons or that you can use for apps, right? One way to exit is by pulling up the screen, and it brings you back to this option page. You bring right here, back to PB, and make sure it will show you an icon of the feature that you're selecting. Click on it. So as you can see now, the background is a bit more compacted. Same thing here. Yeah. Wait, going back. Timer is the same thing. Start. Okay. Yeah, I swipe back up just to go back. Statistics. Oh my god. Same thing. It's a bit smaller here. And swipe up, you'll go back to this page. Music is also more compacted. You can scroll down a little bit and you drag up. And the together page. So you can see the characters are a bit smaller. You also see the study group and the shop. Okay, and that